What's going on, guys? It's your boy here. We're back here again at this freaking trail. This time I'm underneath to show you guys if I can find my tag. Which I tagged on this wall. I don't know if I can find it though. I tagged over there. I don't think I tagged on that side, but last time, as you guys can remember, that last time when I was on that side, I couldn't cross it because it was too cold and it was way too whatchamacallit, it was too flooded, so I couldn't get across. But this time we're across and came down from over there. Now we're gonna see if I can find my tag. I think that's one of them. Hashtag 420. Not too sure. There's a person on the other. No, I don't see anything of mine. So we're gonna go across over here. There's a person on the other side just. But yeah, as you guys can see, this time I can get down here. I don't see anything. Let's see it right there. Nothing there. I don't see. Huh. It's pretty cool. I don't see where I tagged. Because I used to tag, well, I tagged all over here once. I tagged all over here, but I don't see it. So, anyway, since I can't see it, since I can't find it, we're gonna go up onto the trail, and this time instead of going that way, to go by where the abandoned asylum used to be at, we're gonna go down that way. So I'll make my way up to the top, and once I get up to the top, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. See you guys once they get up there. Alright, so now we are up top. We are on the bridge. You guys can see. I was down there. See, I was just down there. And now we are up top. As you guys can see, this is probably familiar from a week ago. No, not even a week ago, like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, when I was up on this bridge before, but this time we went back that way and traveled the trails going that way. This time, like I said, we are going that way. And we're gonna follow the trails going that way to see what those trails are or whatnot. And last time I was down there, I believe they call it the Devil's Punch Bowl down there, where kids would used to jump off one of the cliffs or one of the rocks over here, swim or whatnot. But yeah, this time this is the other way. Other way around. So, and this time I am not alone again. I'm with those two back there this time. So, oh, look at this more graffiti. That looks kind of dangerous. No, it goes right into the water. Where's he going? Let's see where he goes. Let's see where he goes. Oh, he got stuck. I don't think he's going anywhere. Nope, not going anywhere. Houses. Oh, he's going again. Oh, no, got stuck. He got stuck. He ain't going anywhere. I mean, this adventure is not gonna be too different from any of my other ones. because, you know, it's just a trail. It's not the same trail, but not the same trail as the one that I did like a few months ago. Like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, or something. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure. Oh look, seems to be trails that go up through here. Looks like they go up through that baseball field over there. More trails. Guy running past me. But yeah, looks like more trails that venture out this way. So I guess it's easier to get to the baseball field down there. Would not. But yeah, apparently on this side of the trail, 1.5 miles, I'm guessing this is the half a mile mark. It's going somewhere, I guess, throughout the town. But yeah, in a little bit here on this side of the trail, there's an abandoned. Oh look, more bikers. What they come from? They weren't there. They weren't there 2 seconds ago. Definitely not there 2 seconds ago. But yeah, like I'm saying, or like I was trying to say, on this part of the trail there's an abandoned train track, railroad track, that hopefully we get to soon. Hopefully once I get close enough, I'll start filming again, because I don't know how far we gotta walk or whatnot. So in the meantime, oh yeah, see, a little park right there. More houses. Oh, and the squirrel. But yeah, as you guys see, there's more trail. More trail. What the fuck this squirrel doing? This squirrel's just... Squirrel's acting nutty. But yeah, once we get closer to the train tracks, I'll turn it back on and I'll show you guys in a little bit. So yeah, catch you guys soon. Alright. Well, we aren't there yet, but I just want to show you guys something. Don't mind the dogs in the background, but this used to be one of the markers, the mile markers for the trains, because I'm guessing apparently the trains would run through this trail. I think. I'm not 200% sure. I don't live in a town, so I would not know. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys that. Those dogs can shut up. That's what I'm saying. No motor vehicles. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that little
Highview Terrace or something.
That little train marker that they used when the train used to, run through here. So yeah, that's about a little it for right now until we get to where we are going. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, well, we're not quite there yet. We are almost there. I just wanted to like show you guys just, what's going on, where we're at. Somewhat upon this little bridge. It's pretty cool to walk in. But then I noticed that the little cave where the water's coming from. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and explore the cave real quick and then hop back onto the trail. So oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay. Alright. This is not going as planned right now. Gotta be careful because I got my phone out. Okay. Gonna die. Oh fuck. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, we're good. We're good. Okay. We might be stuck. Okay. Thank God I got long legs. Oh, that's not good. Oh look, we made it. We made it. Oh fuck. We made it. Oh, there's the end. Well, I mean, what the hell? I just noticed that there's shoes. You guys want shoes? There's shoes down here. You guys want any? Yeah. Yeah, come down. Come on down. It's okay. The water's fine. Look at that guy up there. Look at him. You sure you don't want the shoes? They're free. What? What size? Let's see what size they are. Oh, this is nasty. Oh, they're all torn up. Oh no, I can't tell. Oh no, I can't tell. I don't know. It doesn't say. They're all fucked up anyway. What? The 3 T's. I don't know what he said, but 3 T's. You got that, ladies and gentlemen. Remember the 3 T's. I don't know what he said, but the 3 T's. I'll bring this. Did you just throw something at me? Hey! Hey! You look, I can't find. Hey, fuck you! You look, I can't find anything. Wait! Get over! Hey! Hold on! Hold on! Okay. Hey! Oh! Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Hey! 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 Whoa! I don't think he wants to mess with this. I don't think you want this. I don't think you want this.
Come on up here, man.
You come on down here, man.
No, you come up here, man.
Nah, you come down here, man.
No, bro, you gotta come up here.
Nah, brother. Nah, brother, man. You gotta come down here, man.
No, man, you gotta come up here.
You know what? Fuck you. I'm coming up there. Well, guys, I don't know how the fuck I managed to lift this fucking 35, 45 pound thing. Oh, look at this. Holy fuck. Look. Looks like there's like cement in it.
Sorry, I got a little excited there.
Oh.
Really.
I had to walk this from all the way down there. Now we're about to toss this bitch. 1, 2, 3.
Man, you a bitch.
I think you're right. There's the huh?
The trail's not gonna walk itself.
Alright, well, I was gonna walk through that cave, but that cave kind of looked a little too skinny. A little too skinny. I was not gonna be able to fit through that cave. But yeah. What? What? Yeah. But you know, this little asshole, this little guy.
I may be short, but your mom thinks I'm huge.
Whoa. Alright, but yeah, anyway. We are. Whew, I can't talk right now. That was a lot. On my shoulders. My hands are all rusted on. Has rust all on my hands.
Hopefully you don't get any cuts.
So, nah, I don't think so.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, no, I don't feel anything hurting or bleeding or anything. It's nothing stinging. But yeah, look at that. Wow, rust on my hand. that thing was heavy. That thing, I say that thing had to weigh at least like 35 pounds or 45 pounds.
Okay.
But that thing was really heavy. And to walk it up the hill with one arm, that was pretty tiring. But anyway, end it here for right now until we get to the train tracks. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, well, made it to the tracks. Tracks are here. Train tracks.
You can tell the trains are active through the shiny wheels.
Yeah. And some bones. Apparently there's some bones. Let's go check out these bones. But yeah, anyways, finally made it to the track. I'm gonna try and start walking down that way a little bit more, see what I find, see what's up. But yeah, anyway, as like you guys just heard, these tracks are currently active, like really active. Like, the train still goes through here, so hopefully the train doesn't come through here and run me over. But yeah, little creek right here. Walking down the
Don't know what kind of animal it is, but
whoa, that's crazy.
it's just some roadkill or
Something.
train kill, probably.
Well,
I came through, smacked an animal, and it just won.
yeah, that's crazy.
I wonder if the other happened.
But yeah, those are some bones. I might have to blur them out during the video.
No, it wasn't split down the middle.
Mm,
Could have been like a deer or something.
possibly, but yeah, now.
The bones are pretty small for a deer. Yeah, we know.
But yeah, it's pretty interesting. I'm gonna have to blur that out though, cause yeah, it's bones and bones.
YouTube's algorithm.
Yep. Walking on the track. Walking on the track. Oh shit. So, yeah, this is it. I thought it was abandoned, but apparently it's not abandoned. And the train. Alright, well, my phone's about to die. It's on like 1%, and I had lost some storage, so the video had cut out. So I haven't been able to end it. So I'm gonna end it now as quickly as I can. So I'll catch you guys in the next one, in the next video. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button. Be positive, stay safe, be adventurous, stay adventurous. I'll catch you guys soon.